Hi folks, hopefully I can take a couple of minutes of your time and show you this Volkswagen Caddy Maxi crew van that we have in stock. So this one came in part exchange. They're sought after model, these with having the rear seats, factory rear seats and tailgate there, twin sliding doors, and a wee bit extra length with it being the Maxi, of course. It's done 139,000 miles, this van. Drives very well. The previous owner had a new cam belt fitted in March of this year. Cam belt and water pump. We have also fitted a new clutch and MOT'd it for a full year, so it drives very well. It drives exceptionally, actually, with it being this is the higher 140 horsepower model. Factory rear seat in here, as I say, so ideal for shifting extra boards about. All in all, pretty clean condition considering, as I say, 139,000 miles. MOT'd until the 22nd of October 2025. And as I say, just had a full service from us, including a new clutch, some new tyres. Yep, all in all, a good van, ready to do a job for someone, I'm sure. If you'd like to know any more details, just give us a ring on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again for watching.